This is a superhero justice. And these are the two bad guys. Look at it. Come a minute. We can see all the superheroes. Now it's time to open it! Open it! Why? Whoa, guys! Actually, look at this. This is Superman flying in the sky. He's looking for bad justice slings and bad guys. He found a bad guy and he go, whoa! And he destroyed the bad guy. Then he saw Batman. He thought it was a bad guy. Whoa, there's a gun. What's this? No, that's crystal. I'm gonna put it away. Pay. You got to stretch you, man. Come on and wake up, bad guy. Get out this bad guy. Why are you sleeping in my bed, yo? There's Batman. What's up? No, that's the bad guy. What do room? I'm gonna sleep in. So scared. Do you want? Now I'm gonna fly. Woohoo! I'm gonna fly around. Woohoo! Look at this. What? This is different. Get up here. Ow. Dude. Wait. Oh, ow. Ow. Look over there. What? What's over there? What? Nothing. Oh. Oh. Look over there. Over there. What? Flat over there. Look at the pool. That's what you can't go. Come on, dude. Think about. Why you hit me? Keep going in the floor. This can do. We can do this. It can actually do this. It can do a flip like that. See? And actually, it can. Yeah. It can run like. It can do that. Now, the next one is Batman. And look what he can do. He's got soft. He's got soft things here. He can do this. Whoa. That. What else? He can put his hand around like a TikTok. What he can do is actually, he can move his armpit. Okay, guys. He can actually move right here. Look at that. He can do that. Or this. Or that. Actually, he can move his head like that. Look at that. See that? He can move it around. And look, he's got a cape. He looks like he can fly, but he can't fly. He can't fly, but he's got something like this. Look, after he's got something here, and he's gonna suck it out, and boom! He's going up, and he's gonna pull it back, and he fed out. Now, oh, whoa! Let's do this. That you can do. Actually, this you can do this. He actually can fly like this. And I put the next bad guy. Now with this bad guy, he can do this. Suck his sword, suck his fang now, and so like this. Bow! This one is very cool. So what I can do this. Vanity, 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 vanity. Look for good guys, look for good guys. You can do this. And this is the bad guy do. Boom! Everyone sound of guns. You run south, it will boom. And then boom, boom. If somebody hits him, he'll stand back up and kick like this. And he can work. And then he goes to the floor. And bye guys, I hope you liked the video.